Hi friends, today we are trying to solve another leet code problem, merge intervals. This is a medium type of problem and it is very popular problem. Many companies have asked this in interview. Problem statement says, given an array of intervals where intervals of I, that is having start and end, merge all overlapping intervals and return an array of the non-overlapping intervals that cover all the intervals in the input. Here we can see some examples have been given. For example, intervals contains 1, 3, 2, 6, 8, 10, and 15 and 18. Here expected output is 1, 6, 8, 10, and 15 and 18. How it is working out is that 1, 3, and 2 and 6. This is having an overlapping interval. How? Like second interval is starting before the end of first interval. So we need to combine these two interval and so our output will become 1 and 6. Second interval is starting after ending the first interval. So we can't merge these two intervals. So they will be as it is. And same goes for the third intervals. We'll see the another example. Another example is like we are having 1, 4 and 4, 5. Here intervals are overlapping because end time and the start time are same, hence our answer will be 1 and 5. Let's see how we can solve this problem. So we need to validate the array, input array first. What we can do here is if intervals dot length equal to 1, then we can return it itself. We don't need to merge because it is having only one interval. Now, it is not mentioned anywhere in the question that intervals are given in a sorted order. So first we need to sort them because it is an primitive array. We can use arrays.sort and we can pass intervals. Now, because it is a two-dimensional array, we need to provide a comparator for this. We can use the Java 8 Lambda here where we are having two inputs, and how do we compare them is like by the start time. So this should sort our array. Now we can see how do we compare these two so that we can merge them is like this. Say we are having an item like say 1, 3. Second item is like 2, 4. Third item is like 8, 9. So these two, if we expand this, how it will become like 1, 2, 3, then it's 2, 3, 4, because that is the time interval that will come in between. And then we will be having this is say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are having another interval that is too far from here. So and this is overlapping this piece. So what we need to do is that we need to say take first interval, then compare it with the second one. So what we'll be doing here is we take the first interval and we can say it's a current one, and it will be because first one we can take the zeroth element. Now we need to go through the full array. So first we already taken, we'll take from the second one, that is index 1, and I is less than intervals dot length I plus plus. Now we can take this as a next one. So next interval is intervals of I. Now what we need to compare? We need to compare if beginning of next is less than or equal to end of current. If this condition is true, it means we can merge them. And how we will be merging? We will be taking current end is equal to biggest of both the ends. So math dot max current of one and next of one. And if this is not the condition, then we know it we can't merge. So what we will be doing is that we will be shifting our current to next. And this should merge all the thing. But thing is that we are having this input array, but we are not storing any modified array anywhere. So what we'll be doing, we'll be maintaining a list of integer that we need to create as a array list. Why we are not able to take int array of array? Because we don't know the size. So we are taking the list collection and in that we'll be storing this. Now before changing this, I just want to add this. So add current. Uh, Now once we're done, if we see if we have merged the last one, then we are not storing it. So we'll have to store it at the end. We can say list dot add and current one. But we see what is our return type. Return type is int and array of array. But this is our array list. We cannot return the array list, so we need to convert it again. How do we convert it? That there is an inbuilt method called to array. What we need to pass is int size of the array. So it is list of size and it is 2D array. So we'll make it 2D and I hope we have not done any mistake. We'll just go through it again from this. We check the corner conditions. We sort the array. We took the first element from here, second onwards. We are comparing it. And then if they are matching our condition, we are changing our uh, interval, adding as on the result, and then we are saying it. So we will run this and see where we did the mistake. So 1326 810. So this is our end, this is our beginning. That is the mistake that we did. So we need to see this is the start of the next one. It should be greater than this we did here. The mistake is that this should be the one and this should be the one. And now we can see whether it works. I see it works. And we'll try to submit this. You can see the result here. It works. Here it works. That's all folks for today.